Okay, everyone. I'll be talking about Bitcoin today. Okay, and I'll mostly talk about this prediction that I made in April 27. So that was about 3 days ago, and I basically state that the price would crash from around 64K to the 60K. Okay, and the reason why this will happen is because of this median line failure, as you can see here, pointed as number one. Okay, so within the chart of Bitcoin, you can see that the price basically went right towards there. Okay, I also stated in my previous videos that if the price were to hit this red line, okay, which is the lower parallel of the median, okay, so this is the median line, and this is the lower parallel. So if the price were to reach this red line, is more or less over at this point. Okay, so the price is starting to get ready for a further markdown. Okay, so a markdown is basically a price crash straight down to a point that is slightly lower. Okay, so yeah, that's my update for Bitcoin. Basically we just have to study what's going on right now. If you were to look at the 2022 bear market, there's a very similar pattern. Okay, you could find if I were to go back to 2022. Okay. Yeah, by the way, if you look at this pink color cross, okay, it is a volatility indicator that I've given out for free in my Twitter account, so you can just check that out. Yeah, so I've basically created a free indicator, okay, for you to detect a volatility. So basically, when you see the pink color thing come out, it's basically showing you that the price is going to crash very fast from there, at some point in the future, right? Yeah. So, anyways, I am referring to this area here. So, as you notice, this is around April 2022, and the price behavior here is very similar to what we're seeing today. Okay. So, I was expecting something like this to happen. Okay, but maybe not to this degree. But maybe slightly, maybe half of this, right? I was expecting that the price would go down like this, go sideways, and perhaps go back up again. But you can notice that this area here, it looks very similar to what we have today. Okay, and it's basically here. Yeah, you see. So this is what I call a sign of weakness. Okay, so this kind of pattern, right? It is very deceptive. What it does is that it lures you into buying, right? And I also created another post in Twitter basically explaining this whole phenomenon. Okay, basically it's a form of manipulation by the big whales that try to manipulate you to buying into a market that is about to crash, right? So yeah, basically it's very deceptive. So you can tell, right? The price goes down, lures you into buying, but because people are like, the prices are so close to the support now, so maybe I just buy, right? So they buy, price go back up, go down lower, and you lure a bit more people to buy, go back up, then it just does this chopping pattern, okay, until it just at some point the prices just collapse at once, right? So basically wiping out all the positions that you can see here. I mean, you can imagine, right? If you are a trader, and you go for a long position, right? Maybe you will buy Bitcoin around here, place a stop loss somewhere around here below the 59K, and you're looking for a long maybe towards the around the high of the range, right? Yeah, so this kind of pattern is very, very yeah, it lures people into doing this kind of things. And you can imagine how many longs that were accumulated within this range, okay? And all their stop loss will be somewhere around here. I can imagine that maybe the stop loss will be around 58K, okay? And the moment if the price goes down here, yeah, there's going to be an instant liquidation of all these longs. And that liquidation will force these traders to buy back Bitcoin. I mean, sell the Bitcoin, okay, because they are liquidated. So the price will just continue crashing from there. So basically, it's a markdown, right? So I'm not sure if this will really happen, but I think something close to that is going to happen soon, okay? So yeah, the price has already gone below the red color line. Now just showing a lot of weakness, and the chances of this kind of thing happening, liquidation cascade, this is what they call it, a liquidation cascade, is about to happen soon, okay? So yeah, I am just currently waiting for prices to move towards you know, the 58k. Okay, and in my previous post I did predict the price will go to 50k. Okay, that was about a month ago, so I predicted the price will go to 50k. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also my Twitter account. You can follow this Twitter, Tradenalytics. So there's a lot of stuff here. You can look into this, you know. Lots of great predictions on Bitcoin, right? Yeah, so see you next time. Thank you.